Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Trailhead Ranger NJ, and today we are doing this module that is Omnistudio Developer Certification Maintenance Summer 24 release. So if you have done this certification and it is due, then you might be seeing on your Trailhead profile that it requires maintenance, and there will be complete maintenance button enabled in front of your certification. And if you are not able to find that, you might be receiving mail as well, or you can just find the link of this Trailhead module in my description of this video. So let's get started on this. Our unit is maintain your Omnistudio Developer certification for summer 24. So it will describe us few functionalities which are improved as part of this release. First is Omnistudio Data Raptor has a new name. So earlier we used to call it as a Data Raptor, and now it is renamed to Data Mapper. And second point is remove organization and profile standard objects from data mappers, that is data raptors, used by customer portal users. So if you remember earlier, customers whoever use the managed packages have access to the organization and profile standard objects, but now using data raptors or data mappers, if we say, starting from spring 25, users will not be able to access these standard objects in data mappers, and Salesforce recommends that customer verify the current data mappers in used in OmniScripts and Flex cards. Then we have remove Omnistudio components from unlocked packages. So starting from spring 25 release, Salesforce will stop supporting Omnistudio components in unlocked packages as well. So we need to remove that. Make secure HTTP outbound calls to AWS VPC. So now Omnistudio standard supports Salesforce Private Connect for HTTP actions in the integration procedure. Earlier we used to do it some other way, but now it is supporting us to make the call to AWS VPC using Salesforce Private Connect. Automatic upgrades for managed packages, that we had studied about it in Omnistudio Consultant Certification Maintenance as well, that in each cycle it will allow us to automatic upgrade process, so we don't have to worry about that. If we want to send documents on behalf of others, so what we need to do, we need to go to the setup and then search for user, and then click edit for our DocuSign user, and then populate the field send on behalf. That's how we will be able to send documents on behalf of others. Then last is easily and accurately complete address fields. So simply the way in Lightning Input we do have type ahead element. Similarly in Omnistudio as well, they have introduced type ahead block, which will allow us to populate the field of address for address using the Google Maps autocomplete settings. For that we would be needing Google API key as well, so that will come in very handy if we want to have an address field. That should be when user can type in that element or that block, and they should see the suggestions of related addresses. So let's come to the quiz. First is what is new name for data raptors, so that is data mappers. Second is why is Salesforce recommending that developers remove organization and profile standard objects from data mappers. So first option is standard objects are used in OmniScript and Flex cards. No. Second is users of managed packages runtime have access to the standard objects. Third is customers portal user can't access these standard objects starting in spring 25. Yes. Fourth is the standard objects may contain specific data or functionality that interferes with a customer portal. Let's come to the next question, that is why is Salesforce recommending that developers remove Omnistudio components from within unlocked packages. So first option is Omnistudio components should not be part of deployment pipelines. No. Second is Salesforce will not support Omnistudio components in unlocked packages. Yes. Third is unlocked packages can't be upgraded. No. Fourth is unlocked packages have their components customized after they are installed. So B option should be the correct one. Next question is which feature can developers use to make secure outbound HTTP calls from an Omnistudio org? So first option is VPC data security. No. Second is Salesforce Private Connect. Yes. Third is AWS Virtual Private Cloud. No. And last is integration procedure. So B option should be the correct one. Fifth question is what is the benefit of automatic upgrades for the Omnistudio managed package? First is production environments stay current with the latest features. Yes. Second is user gets early access to features in their sandbox. Yes. Third is users choose which patch updates they receive in each release cycle. So A and B should be the correct answer. Second question, next question is what is the first setup step allow one user to send or sign documents for other users in DocuSign? So first option is add an assistant field to every user's page. No. Second is create an assistant field in the user's page. No. Third is create a send on behalf field in the user object. Yes. Last is assign the send on behalf named credential in the user's page. So C option should be the correct one. Last question. How does a developer enable the address autocomplete setting in an OmniScript? First is double click in Google Maps setting and add an autocomplete field. No. Second is add a type ahead block to an OmniScript and configure Google Maps settings. Yes. Third is request a Google API key from Salesforce. No. And last is set an image block to display a Google map. So B should be the correct one and let's check. So we have completed our this module as well, that is Omnistudio Developer Certification Maintenance Summer 24 release. So if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section and like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you. Stay tuned.